Hello students, welcome to your mathematics class. Today in this video, you will learn about the chapter lines and angles. So now in this video, let us know about transversal and the angles formed by a transversal. Before that, let us know some basic terms. Intersecting lines. Two lines are said to be intersecting if they have a point in common. So, the common point is called as their point of intersection. Now look at this figure. In this figure, lines AB and CD are intersecting at a point O. So here O is called their point of intersection. Now let us know about parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not meet or intersect anywhere in the plane when extended indefinitely in either direction. Now look at this figure. Here the line L and M. These two lines are parallel and which is written in symbol form. L is parallel to M. If these two lines are parallel, then they have no point in common. So whatever point we will take in between them, whatever point we will take in this line L, this point is not common to the line M, and if we take any point in line M, then this point is not common to the line L. So they have no point in common, and if we extend the lines in both the directions, they will never meet anywhere in the plane. So that type of lines are called parallel. Also if we draw perpendicular lines between these two straight lines, then that perpendiculars will be always equal in length. Always equal in length. Now let us know about transversal. A line intersecting two or more given lines in a plane at distinct points is called a transversal to the given lines. Now look at this figure. In this figure 1, the line T is intersecting the two lines P and Q in a same plane at distinct points, that is at point A and at point B. So the line T is a transversal to the line P and Q. Come to the next figure. Here the three lines are shown, P, Q, R. So here line T is intersecting the three lines P, Q, R at distinct points, that is at point A, B and C. Let us see another figure. Here line P and another line is Q. So here another line is shown, that is T. So here the line T is intersecting both the lines, that is P and Q, at distinct points, that is A and B. So this type of lines are called transversal to the given lines. Now let us see another example that in this figure, here the line T is not a transversal to the line P and Q because the line T intersects the two lines P and Q at the same point. So this all point of intersections are same. This point of intersections are not distinct. So the line T is intersecting both the lines at the same point. So which shows that this line T is not a transversal to the line P and to the lines P and Q. Now let us see angles made by a transversal with two lines. If a transversal T intersects two lines, say P and Q, then a total of 8 angles are formed at their point of intersection, that is at point A and B. Now these 8 angles are marked with 1 to 8, that is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means here the transversal T intersects the two lines P and Q at two distinct points, that is at point A and B. So the total of 8 angles are formed at their point of intersection, that is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us know about interior angles. The angles whose one arm include the line segment AB are called interior angles. Look at this figure. In this figure, the angle 4 whose one arm is AB, angle 3 whose one arm is AB. If we consider angle 5 whose one arm is AB, if we consider angle 6 whose one arm is AB. Also these angles are lying in the interior region of these two lines. So these angles are called interior angles. So if we see this figure again, so here angle 4, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 6. These angles are called interior angles. So in the given figure we have angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are called interior angles. These are the angles which lie between the two lines, that is between P and Q. So these angles are called interior angles. So now let us know about pairs of alternate interior angles. A pair of interior angles in which one arm of each angles is on the opposite side of the transversal at different vertices and another arm is common to them is called a pair of alternate interior angles. Now look at this figure. Here angle 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all interior angles. So if we consider angle 3, its one arm is in this direction, and if we consider another angle, that vertex is different. So let us consider angle 5 whose one of the arm is in the opposite direction of this direction and another arm of both these angles are common to each other, that is AB. Another arm is the line segment AB which is common to both the angles. So these two angles are called a pair of alternate interior angles. So here angle 3 and 5 is called a pair of alternate interior angles. They are interior angles and they are alternate to each other. Similarly, angle 4 and 6 are called another pair of alternate interior angles. So in this figure, we are getting two pairs of alternate interior angles. One pair is angle 3 and 5, another pair is angle 4 and 6. 4 and 5 as the co-interior angles, that is the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal, and angle 3 and 6 is also called co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Let us know about exterior angles. The angles whose arms do not include the line segment AB are called exterior angles. Look at this figure. In this figure, angle 1, 2, 7, 8. These four angles are called exterior angles. Their arms do not include the line segment AB. So these angles are called exterior angles. Now let us know about pairs of alternate exterior angles. A pair of exterior angles in which one arm of each of the angles is on opposite side of the transversal at different vertices and another arms do not include the line segment AB is called a pair of alternate exterior angle. In this figure, angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. So if we consider at point A, the angle 2 whose one of the arm is in this direction, that is from right to left. So at point B, we consider another angle whose one of the arm is opposite to this arm, opposite side of this arm. So that will be angle 8, and another arm of both the angles are not included the line segment AB. So that will be angle 2 and 8. They are opposite to each other also. So these two angles are called a pair of alternate exterior angles. Similarly, angle 1 and 7 are called another pair of alternate exterior angles. Now let us know about pair of corresponding angles. Two angles which have different vertices on the same side of the transversal and have same corresponding position. Here the word corresponding means two angles are above the two line segments or below the two line segments. The two line segments are called pair of corresponding angles. Now look at this figure. In this figure, the transversal T intersects the two lines P and Q at two distinct points, that is at point A and B, and here 8 angles are formed. So let us consider the pair of corresponding angles formed by them. So if we consider angle 1, which is above the line P and at vertex A, similarly at another vertex, that is at point B, and in this line Q, the above the line Q is angle 5. So angle 1 and 5 are corresponding angles, are a pair of corresponding angles. Now let us consider angle 4, which is below the line P and at point A. So at point B, below the line Q will be angle 8. Now let us consider in this side, another side of the transversal. So this is also a pair of another pair of corresponding angles. If we consider another side of the transversal, if we consider above the line P, that is at point A, that is Q, then another will be angle 6, angle 2 and angle 6. So angle 2 and 6 will be a pair of corresponding angles because both are above the lines and are on the same side of the transversal. Similarly, if we consider angle 3, then another angle will be corresponding to this angle will be angle 7. So these are the another pair of corresponding angles. So how many pairs of corresponding angles we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 pairs of corresponding angles we are getting in this case. So these are called the pairs of corresponding angles. So in this way, you do some more examples related with the transversal and angle formed by a transversal. I hope all of you understood whatever discussed today in this video. So thank you all of you and have a nice day.